Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what is the Microdarts Tag Gone Patch is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the product's information, the Microdarts Tag Gone Patch is a tropical skin patch designed to help remove skin tags using some dissolving microdart technology. The manufacturer says the tiny microdarts are designed to deliver some active ingredients directly into the skin tag while providing a non-invasive alternative to cutting or freezing treatments. You may find these products on many stores, example like this one, and it's may differ from store to store. You may find this also on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, so keep reading the details provided by the specific seller just in case. According to the manufacturer, one of the product's main features is dissolving microdart technology, which is designed to penetrate the outer layer of the skin and deliver the active ingredients where they intended or where they are intended to work. And the product's information also said that the patch is designed to be easy to apply, suitable for most skin types, and intended for use at home. Of course, you may find many information on their websites, also video what it does, as example, what are skin tags and why, example, remove them, how it works, like the science behind it if you are interested about that, and why does this works better. So you'll find many information on the websites on how to use it. So first of all, you'll have to clean the area and dry it. So wash and the affected area and thoroughly dry it. Then you will have to apply the patch, remove the protected film and place the pad directly on the skin tag or warts, then activates and absorbs, so gently press to allow the microdart to work and dissolve. And step 4 or the last step is to remove and renew, so you'll have to replace the removal patch when it dries completely. If you keep scrolling through the page, as example, depending on wherever you are going to buy it from, you may find the contact us option if you have any questions to ask the seller before buying it. And if you want it, you may want to just choose the package that you want, depending on the seller again. Click on add to cart as example, and you will be able to buy it. You'll find the option where to pay with. So if you want to go and pay with PayPal, debit card, whatever you want, just go and enter all the informations that you want. Enter your payment details, your shipment details, and you should be good. Depending on the website that you may offered, or you may get some offers to get some money backs and maybe some free shippings. And as I said, make sure to make your research depending on where you buy it from. So that's it for me in this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.